हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज़ विकास। तो दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो में हम कुछ बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स डिस्कस करेंगे। टॉपिक रहेगा हमारा बुक्स एंड ऑथर्स ऑफ नवंबर मंथ। ये वीडियो आपके लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेगा, तो इस वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखिएगा। तो आइए फ्रेंड्स, अपना सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले आप सभी के लिए कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन। So students, we have an app by the name Careers Cloud which you can go and download using the Play Store, and it is available only for the Android users as of now. Once you have downloaded and opened the app, you will see a page such as the second screen here. Then you just need to log in with your Google ID, or you can say with your Gmail ID on this application, and once you have logged in, you are ready to use the particular application. As you can see, you will be seeing here my course, all courses, crack current affairs. Just click on any of those and you will be directed to a second page. Here now, what are the features or why we recommend you to use the app? Because on the app we provide you daily current affairs, both in English as well as in Hindi. Both Hindi and English current affairs are provided you daily along with the quiz sessions. This is important. We provide you daily with the quiz sessions that will help you to brush up your current affairs that you gain today through our video or any other notes provided. These English and Hindi PDFs are also provided to you daily. This is provided on our app course that you can go and purchase. Two types of courses are there, 1 year plan and a second year plan, which you can opt as per your need. Then we provide you with weekly videos. Not just weekly videos on YouTube and monthly videos, daily videos are also given. Apart from that, weekly PDFs of current affairs are provided to you. Compiled PDF of current affairs of the whole week will be provided to you both in English as well as in Hindi. Then similarly for the month also, you will be provided a compiled video of the whole month both in English as well as in Hindi PDF for the current affairs that will brush up your current affairs very much. Apart from this, we provide you with the topic wise current affairs, topics such as apps and web portals, important days, books and authors. Then comes your sports, then comes your obituary, national affairs, international affairs, sports. These all topics are covered by us on our YouTube channel, which you can go and check it out also. Very important, very important this section, because we provide you with the PDFs also with them that helps you to revise through a particular order, and it is very helpful to you, so you should definitely check it out. Then apart from it, we provide you questions regarding your particular exams also, such as bank, related to your banking. We provide you questions, we provide you PDF, we provide you material that will help you to revise those topics, those important topics. So very important. All right, so I definitely recommend you to check our app and do revise and to purchase the courses, because they will be very helpful to you. These, I strongly recommend you to use our app as well as website, and the quiz provided on the app is very helpful to you on the daily basis, and our monthly study material for your exams will do wonders. So do watch the video for the revision purposes, they are very helpful. And if you use my code Vikas10, straight away you will be getting an additional 10% discount on the purchase you made using the application. So additional discount for you students just from my side. It is a happy hour sale, you can say, 10% discount using Vikas10. So friends, let's start with the session now. So friends, let's start with the session. The first book is The Story of the First Civilizations from the Mesopotamian to the Aztecs. This was authored by whom? Who is the author of this book? He is Subhadra Sen Gupta ji. Important, mention the name, remember the name and the name of the book, that is titled The Story of First Civilizations. This book was written by Subhadra Sen Gupta ji. This is the last book authored by Subhadra Sen Gupta and published posthumously by the Talking Club. Posthumously, that means Subhadra Sen Gupta has passed away, and this particular incident, posting of releasing or publishing of this book has been done after his death. The book is an informative book for children on ancient civilizations around the world like Mesopotamia, Egypt, Indus Valley, Greek, Rome, etc. Next we'll be talking about The Sage with 2 R's, Unusual Tales from mythology, and the author of this book is Sudha Murthy ji. All right, The Sage with Two Horns, unusual tales from mythology. As you can see, there are two horns from coming out of the head, so that is the reason the name, and this is the title, The Sage with Two Horns. Sudha Murthy ji is the author. Sudha Murthy, the chairperson of Infosys Foundation and a renowned author, has published her new book titled The Sage with Two Horns, Unusual Tales from Mythology, the fifth and the last book of the Unusual Tales from Mythology series. This book is published by Penguin Random House India, imprint India Puffin. Next is your another book titled Not Just Cricket, A Reporter's Journey, authored by Pradeep Magazine. The book titled Not Just Cricket, A Reporter's Journey. This book has been authored by whom? Authored by Pradeep Magazine. Next, another important book, mark this. An Economist at Home and Abroad. I repeat, name of this book is An Economist at Home and Abroad. This book was authored by whom? Shankar Acharya ji. Important, mark wait. Alright, very important. Shankar Acharya ji authored the book An Economist at Home and Abroad. Noted economist and former chief economic advisor to the government of India, Dr. Shankar Acharya, has authored a new book that is An Economist at Home and Abroad, A Personal Journey. The book features the professional and personal life of the most accomplished policy economist, that is Dr. Shankar Acharya. This book will be published by HarperCollins India. Next. The Cinema of Satyajit Ray. Market important. It is in 2021, the Satyajit Ray Award will be given during the International Film Festival of India. This time it was held in Goa. So the new book titled The Cinema of Satyajit Ray, authored by Bhaskar Chattopadhyay ji. Important. Who authored the book? It was authored by Bhaskar Chattopadhyay ji. And the name of the book is The Cinema of Satyajit Ray. This is the cover of the book you can see on the left. The Cinema of Satyajit Ray, authored by Bhaskar Chattopadhyay and published by Westland, details the life of legendary Indian filmmaker Satyajit Ray. Bhaskar Chattopadhyay also authored novels like Patang, Here Falls the Shadow, The Disappearance of Sally Squeria. Next book is your Modern India. Haryana's Chief Minister, that is Manohar Lal Khattar, has released Poonam Dalal Dahiya's book, that is Modern India. So, who is the author of Modern India? She is Poonam Dalal Dahiya. This book was released by whom? It was released by the Chief Minister of Haryana, that is Manohar Lal Khattar. And if we are talking about Poonam Dalal Dahiya, who is she? She is the ASP, that is Assistant Superintendent of Police of Gurugram, and she is the former IRS, that is Indian Revenue Service Officer. And this book will be published by McGraw Hill. Next, Asim Chawla has authored a book that is Finding Straight Line Between Twists and Turns. I repeat, the name of the book is Finding a Straight Line Between Twists and Turns. This book has been authored by whom? Asim Chawla, as you can see him in the picture. Asim Chawla, one of the India's leading tax lawyers and well-known international tax and policy expert, released a book Finding a Straight Line Between Twists and Turns, an imperfect yet honest reflection on the Indian tax landscape, that was published by Matrix Publishers. Moving on, mark this book. Related to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji, The Debate That Defined India. Very important. The Debate That Defined India, authored by Adil Hussain and Tripundam Singh. I repeat, Tripundam Singh and Adil Hussain has authored a book that is The Debate That Defined India, and it is based on Jawaharlal Nehru ji. New Nehru, The Debate That Defined India. This book was co-authored by Tripundam and Adil Hussain ji, that will be released on 11th of November. This book examines Jawaharlal Nehru's voicing ideological disagreements, forging political alliances, offering vision to the future, and molding political visions. All right, this is the basic idea of this particular book. There is another book. Can you tell me who is the author of this book? Wings on Fire. Who is the author of this book? Comment below. This is your homework. Next, Indian Navy and Mukti Bahini of Bangladesh launched the Bangla version of the book, that is Operation X, in Dhaka. I repeat, Indian Navy and Mukti Bahini of Bangladesh has launched the Bangla version of the book Operation X in Dhaka. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. The Indian Navy and the Mukti Bahini of Bangladesh has launched the Bangla version of the book titled Operation X, about the naval commando operation. The book was authored by Captain M.N.R. Samant and noted author and journalist Sandeep Unithanji. Alright, so on what this book is based? This book is based on the naval command operations, authored by Captain M.N.R. Samant and noted author and journalist Sandeep Unithanji. The book was first conceptualized by the then Chief of Indian Navy, that is Admiral S.M. Nanda and Captain Mihir K. Roy. The book was compiled from the personal notes of Captain M.N.R. Samant and the first-hand accounts of the Indian naval personnel and Mukti Jodhas. Moving on to next. Next book is, as you can see, Unshackling India, Hard Truths and Clear Choices for Economic Revival. I repeat, the name of the book is Unshackling India, Hard Truths and Clear Choices for Economic Revival. This book was authored by two persons. They are Ajay Chibarji and Salman Anis Soj. So both the name are important. Mark this. Alright. Unshackling India, Hard Truth and Clear Choices for Economic Revival. And this book will be published by HarperCollins publication. Next is your Defense Secretary has released a book titled Force in Statecraft at NDC. The Defense Secretary Dr. Ajay Kumar released a book titled Force in Statecraft at National Defense College in New Delhi. The book contains essay on counter-insurgency operations, conflict in the Northeast, air power and nuclear posture, etc. Next, an important book is The Disruptor. Alright, how Vishwanath Pratap Singh shook India, by the book The Disruptor. And let's look at it. Who will be the publishing house? HarperCollins India will be the publishing house of this book. That is, HarperCollins India will publish the book titled The Disruptor, How Vishwanath Pratap Singh Shook India. This was authored by Debashish Mukherjee. Alright, so if asked, who is the author of The Disruptor? He is Debashish Mukherjee. The book represents a detailed account on India's 8th Prime Minister, that is Vishwanath Pratap Singh, who served as the Prime Minister between 1989 to 1990. Next we'll be talking about a biography of Olympic runner and, or you can say, Olympic athlete. He is Gurbachan Singh Randhawa and the name of the biography was Udna Baz. This Udna Baz was recently launched by which sports minister or which state sports minister? It was launched by the Punjab sports minister and he is Pragat Singh. So the Punjab Sports and Higher Education Minister Pragat Singh launched the biography of Olympic athlete Gurbachan Singh Randhawa, that was titled Udna Baz, that was written by Navdeep Singh Gill and published by the Unistar Books at Punjab Kala Bhavan. This book is about Gurbachan Singh Randhawa's journey along with the document of nation sports history. Next we'll be talking about Ayodhya, Sunrise over Ayodhya, Nationhood in Our Times, book authored by Salman Khurshid. Important market. Sunrise over Ayodhya, Nationhood in Our Times, and the author of this book is Salman Khurshid. Important, both are important. Alright. Name as well as the name of the author, and this book will be published by the Vintage Books. If we talk about the book is about the unity between Hindu and Muslims. The book favors the 2019 Supreme Court verdict on the Ayodhya dispute and aims to create awareness about the verdict among people. The book explores the opportunities offered by the judgment to affirm India as a secular society. Next is related to your badminton. Shuttler's Flick. So shuttle is related to your badminton. Making every match count. Autobiography of Pulela Gopichandji. Shuttler's Flick. Making every match count. This was authored by, or you can say co-authored by Pulela Gopichand and Priya Kumar, and this was published by Simon and Schuster. Released it on 12th of November 2021. Coming back, the name of the book is Shuttler's Flick, Making Every Match Count. That was co-authored by Pulela Gopichandji and Priya Kumar. This is a autobiography of the former badminton player, chief national coach of Indian badminton team, Pulela Gopichandji. Mark this important. All right, question can directly be asked that Shuttler's Flick, this book is an autobiography of whom? It is an autobiography of a badminton player, that is Pulela Gopichand. Next, Union Minister Smriti Irani has launched a debut novel, that is Lal Salam, a novel set to released in November 2021. Smriti Zubin Irani, the Union Minister of Women and Child Development, is set to release her first novel titled Lal Salam, a novel in November 2021. The novel is inspired by the killings of the 76th Central Reserve Police Force personnel during the Maoist attack in the Dantewada, Chhattisgarh in April 2010. Next, Indian diplomat Syed Akbaruddin authored a new book, India vs UK, the story of an unprecedented diplomatic win. Senior Indian diplomat Syed Akbaruddin has authored a new book titled India vs UK, the story of unprecedented diplomatic win. So if asked who has authored India vs UK, the story of unprecedented win, he is Syed Akbaruddin. Alright, mark this important. The book features behind the scenes details of the India's victory against the UK in the elections to the International Court of Justice in 2017. This book is published by the HarperCollins India. Next, Nobel Prize winning economist Abhijit Banerjee's cookbook titled Cooking to Save Your Life. Indian born American economist and Nobel laureate Abhijit Banerjee has authored a new book titled Cooking to Save Your Life. The book, illustrated by France-based illustrator Shani Oliver, is published by Juggernaut Books. Coming back, you should not remember these many names, just remember the title of the book, Cooking to Save Your Life, and it was authored by whom? It was authored by a Nobel Prize winning economist Abhijit Banerjee, because these are highly important. Alright, Abhijit Banerjee's book, Cooking to Save Your Life. Next is your Resolved, United Nations in a Divided World. I repeat, Resolved is the name of the book, that is Uniting Nations in a Divided World, that was authored by Ban Ki-moon. Very important. If we look at the data, the name of the book is Resolved, Uniting Nations in a Divided World. It is an autobiography of the former United Nations Secretary General, that is Ban Ki-moon. It is published across the globe by HarperCollins. If we talk about the book, it consists of life experiences and challenges that the author faced in his life and elaborates his tenure in the United Kingdom. It accounts for the policies taken by the United Peace Development and Human Rights Mission in conflicted areas of Central Asia, Iran, North Korea, etc. So the name of the book, authored by Ban Ki-moon, who is the former United Nations Secretary General, is Resolved, Uniting Nations in a Divided World. Next book is Indian Innings, The Journey of Indian Cricket from 1947, that was edited by Ayaz Menon. If we look at the data, the name of the book is Indian Innings, The Journey of Indian Cricket from 1947, that was authored or edited by Ayaz Menon. Mark this. Next is your Democracy, Politics and Governance. This book is authored by Surya Prakash Ji. I repeat, this book is authored by Surya Prakash Ji, and this book, the name of the book is what? Democracy, Politics and governance. The Vice President of India, M. Venkaiah Naidu, on the 72nd anniversary of the adoption of the Constitution of India, that is on 26th of November, released a book titled Democracy, Politics and Governance in English, and this book was authored by Dr. A. Surya Prakash. Mark this important. Hello friends, through our recent General Affairs section analysis, we have identified that the news related to mega events is finding more weightage in the competitive exams. In order to cover related news to mega events such as Olympics, national awards, cabinet appointments, all of which contain heavy information, we have chosen a different way to convey that information using interactive infographics. Here is an example of interactive infographics. Using this, you can choose to study various information just from the single PDF. If you want to talk about the medal tally of Tokyo Olympic Games, just by clicking on the image of medals, you will be able to see the information related to medals. Now, if you want to study about any of the players mentioned here, just by clicking on the image of that particular player, you will be getting the information related to that particular player. Now, you will be provided with two types of PDFs. One is your desktop version and second is your mobile version. As the name suggests, desktop version is for both PCs, laptops, and your mobile version is basically for the mobile phones and tablets. In order to use your desktop version in mobile phone, you can use the software of WAPS application in your Google Play, and you can access the desktop version of the file in the phones also. So friends, this format of presentation will help you to remember all the valuable information in an easy manner by connecting information to the related images. Our team has worked immensely hard to bring this to you, and so please do share your valuable suggestions and feedback through comments, as it will boost us to create further such initiatives. Thank you. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये थी हमारी वीडियो। अगर आपको आज हमारी वीडियो से कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिला है तो जल्दी से जाइए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दें। और फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हमारे कंटेंट से रिलेटेड या फिर हमारी कोई ऐप से इशू आ रहा है, कोई भी आपको प्रॉब्लम है, तो आप हमारी जीमेल आईडी जो कि है support@affairscloud.com या फिर हमारा नंबर 9677333862 पर कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं, एंड हमारी टीम जल्दी से जल्दी आपके इशू को रिजॉल्व करने में आपकी सहायता करेगी। सो टेक केयर।